are not alone. You're not so far, though it may seem so from where you are. You're not alone. You can use that. That's where ideas come from, because you have to figure out how to get away from this danger. So your brain works things out in that state. Excellent question. Stretched out her arms to the guitar like it was a baby, and they were over at the window there looking out at the moon, letting go of that thought of yourself that you gotta be perfect, and you don't. You're not so far from home. Thank you so much.
Thank you for all of your answers to the questions that we really appreciate.
You're welcome from the bottom of my heart.
I wasn't expecting all the beautiful wisdom that you've given us. We're already planning to take some of your philosophies into our lessons.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Bye, guys. Bye. That was so good. Exactly what we needed. We see lots of learning coming out of it.
The world is flowing.